Hi students, good morning. CBSE released revised curriculum for this academic year only 2021 because of Corona. Already the curriculum sent by our class WhatsApp group. Okay. All chapters are covered, but each chapter some topic only deleted. Okay. Already told in first chapter Euclid's division lemma. In second chapter the division algorithm. Magma or 2 or 3 class coach. And the find all the zeros deleted. This chapter mean median mode. Okay, graph no. Mean step deviation method cut avoided. Step deviation method to be avoided. What is the meaning? So already direct method over. Now assumed mean method. First you have to write the formula. X bar. This is equal to A plus summation F I D I divided by summation F I. Already I is reason explain பண்ணிட்டேன். A plus summation Fi di divided by summation Fi. So இத ஃபுல்லா ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு தான் a வேல்யூவோட ஆட் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? நீ டைரக்டா நியூமரேட்டர் கூட ஆட் பண்ண கூடாது. ரைட். What is a? A that is assumed mean. That is assumed mean. நாமளா assume பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Where? From class mark. From class mark you choose any one value as a mean. That is assumed mean. அது மீனா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு assume பண்ணிக்கிறேன். That is assumed mean. What is b? bi is equal to xi minus a. What is xi? For example, x1 na first class mark, second class mark, third class mark. So xi minus a. Xi minus a. So it is a formula. F frequency. F frequency. So we can go for one problem. Okay, students. For direct method, explain the same problem. Answer 62. For same problem, now find the mean by assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Okay, solution. So first you have to write the formula. First step, what is it? Formula. X bar is equal to a plus summation Fi di divided by summation Fi. Okay, this is a formula. First you have to write the formula. Next table. Make one table. Class interval, frequency. Okay, next step xi. That is class mark. That is class mark. Okay. Next for direct method fx. For here, next you want to find di. That is xi minus a. Xi minus a. Then next fi di. Fi di. Class interval given one. Write it. 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. Frequency 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. Next xi. That is class mark. How will find upper limit minus lower, sorry, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 17.5. 17.5. 40 plus 25. 65. 65 divided by 2. 32.5. 47.5. 62.5. 77.5. 92.5. This class mark already in last class explained for direct method. Okay, next. From this xi, you choose any one value, that is assumed mean. Okay, randomly we can choose. We can choose first or last, but we can choose middle. That is easy. Middle value choose it. Here 2, 4, 6 values are there. So middle value edhu correct solல முடியாது. So approximately you choose third. This third one you choose it. That is A. The third value you choose it. That is A. That is A. So against here you choosing assumed mean no. That is against to DA value 0. F is 0. What is xi? 47.5. What is A? 47.5. So 47.5 minus 47.5. 0. Here, first one, 17.5. Okay, minus A value 47.5. A value 47.5. 47.5 minus 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 0 0, 4 minus 1 3. But if your largest number, actually 17.5 minus 47.5. The largest number 47. So answer is minus 30. Minus 30. Yeah, what is the class size? Class size in 10 to 25. 25 is low upper limit. 25 minus 10, 15. 40 minus 25, 15. 55 minus 40, 15. So what is the class size? 15. Class size 15. So minus 15. Here 0. Class size reduce பண்ணிக்கோ minus 15. Here minus 30. Minus 15 minus 15. Minus 30. இங்க பாருங்க 15 30 plus 15 45. 15 0. Next class size class size 15 30 45. உனக்கு நீங்க செக் பண்ணிக்கோ. Next என்ன 47.5 32.5 minus 5 minus 3 0, 7 minus 2 5, 4 minus 3 1. Largest number 47 no. So minus 15. Minus 15. So that in a class size in our book, the against to the assumed mean 0. Okay. Above the assumed mean minus value, negative value. Our class size different. Next you choose approximately here 77 77.5 minus 47.5. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 7 0, 4 minus 3 0. So you separate it. Here 47 is smallest because 77 point minus 47.5. Largest number 77 only. So only plus value. Are you clear? So next இதுல கொஞ்சம் தப்பு பண்றது என்னன்னா நிறைய பேர் அத போனா இத எடுத்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிடுவோம். That is wrong. Next say what is that? F by di. What is F? 2 into minus 30. So direct method க்கு இதுக்குள்ள என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் பார்த்தோம்னா அந்த சமேஷன் வேல்யூ ஓவரால் லாஸ்ட் क्वेश्चन பாக்கும்போது ரொம்ப ஹையா வந்துச்சு. பட் இங்க லோவர். ஓகேவா? கொஞ்சம் ஷார்ட் லிஸ்ட் பண்றோம். 2 into minus 30 minus 60. 3 into minus 15 minus 45. FD 7 into 0 0. நீ assumed mean எங்க चूஸ் பண்றியோ அதுக்கு ஃபுல்லா அதுக்கு அப்புறம் எல்லாமே 0 தான். assumed mean எங்க चूஸ் பண்ணா ஃபுல்லா 0. 6 into 15 90. 6 into 30 180. 6 into 45 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30 27 270. The negative value added minus 105 60 45. The positive value added 270 0 8, 9 plus 8, 17, 24, 2, 5, 540. Okay, it is negative value, it is positive value. Negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so you subtract it. Subtract 540, 105. 10 minus 5, 5, here 3, 4, 435. So plus 435. Plus 435 because it is a smallest one. It is largest one will plus. So answer 435. 435. Number ரொம்ப லாங்கா இருக்கும். Okay, right. Now applying the formula. Applying the formula. It is what is the summation F value? 18, 25, 30. 30. Okay. Now substitute in this formula. Next summation F by di value 435. A value we assumed one value no 47.5. You mark it here 47.5. Summation Fi value 30. Summation Fi value 30. Now substitute the formula. What is the formula? A plus A value assumed mean 47.5 plus bracket summation Fd 435 divided by summation F 30. So 47.5 plus this one you divide it 435 divided by 30. Okay, in 43 130 is 30, remainder 13. In 135 4 3s are 120, 4 3s are 120, remainder 15. You add 1 0, find a 0, 150. And in 155 5 30s are 150, so 14.5. 14.5. Now adding 47.5. 14.5. Adding 5 plus 5 10. Remainder 1. 8 plus 4 2. Remainder 12. Remainder 1 6. Answer 62. X bar is equal to 62. So in the method answer find out now same answer. Are you clear? Exercise 14.1, fifth question. Okay, questions given. The following was the distribution mangoes according to the number of boxes. Number of mangoes 50 to 52, 50 boxes. 53 to 55, 110 boxes. 56 to 58, 135 boxes. 59 to 61, 115 boxes. 60 to 64, 25 boxes. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? So our choice is, now I will explain the assumed mean method. Right. Before going to do the sum, you check if the given distribution is continuous or not. How can check the continuous? The one class upper limit, next class lower limit must be same. Here what is that upper limit 52, next class lower limit 53 or not, are they same? No. So we want to convert to continuous class distribution. Continuous class distribution. Okay, no problem. We will change it. First you write the formula. Which method you choose? Assumed method. X bar is equal to A plus summation Fi di divided by summation F5. Okay, right. So first we will find the modified table. Modified table, right? Very easy. You check the difference between upper limit and next class lower limit. What is the difference? Here 52. Next class lower limit 53. What is the difference between these two limits? 1. What is that limit? Difference 1. 53 minus 52, 1. Half of difference. Half of difference. 1 na difference half evluva? Difference 1. All half evluva? Half. Half 0.5. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay, that is 0.5. 0.5. என்னன்னா next class lower limit previous class preceding class upper limit subtract பண்ணனும் 53 minus 52 1. India 6 minus 5 1. 9 minus 8 1. 2 minus 1 1. So half of the difference half 0.5. So when என்ன பண்ணனும்னா lower limit ஓட minus பண்ணனும் 0.5. Each class lower limit you subtract 0.5. Okay, add 0.5 in all the upper limit. You make the table class interval frequency. It is class mark di value. Okay, xi minus a fi di. Okay, so you make the class, you change the class interval. Okay, so 0.5 lower limit is subtract 0.5. What is that? 50 minus 0.5 49.5. 50 minus 0.5 49.5. Then upper limit add 52.5. 52. Okay, you add 0.5. What is 0.5? The difference between upper limit and preceding class lower limit. You choose first any one class lower limit. You choose any one class lower limit. Okay, subtract with the preceding class upper limit. Then divided by 2. Now 53 minus 52 1. Half of 1 0.5. So our lower limit kuda subtract pannu. 53 minus 0.5 52.5. 55.5. Then next 56 minus 0.5 55.5. 58 plus 0.5 58.5. 59 minus 0.5 58.5. 61 plus 0.5 61.5. 62 minus 0.5 61.5 64.5. Okay, now check it. 2.5 52.5 52.5 are the same. Okay, now find the class size. What is that? 52.5 minus 49.5. 5 minus 5 0. 2 sir, cannot subtract 12. So answer 3. So what is the class size here? Class size 3. Class size 3. You mind it. Class size 3. Class size 3. Right. The frequency given one, right? 50, 110, 135, 115, 25, 115, 25. 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. Okay. Right. Find the frequency. Total of the frequency 5, 10, 15, 20. Remainder 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Balance 1, 3, 4, 5. So totally 500 boxes are there. Now find the xi. What is xi? Class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit. Okay, upper limit what is that? 52.5 minus lower limit 49.5 plus upper limit plus lower limit. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Okay. 0.5 is 1 remainder 1 10 12 102 divided by 2. So 102 divided by 1 answer 51. 1 illappa. Class size what is that? 3 la half 1.5. So 49.5 oda 1.5 add pannikko. Endha shortcut value use pannikko neenu. Enna middle value find out pannum. Appa answer 51. What is the class size? Each class size 3 3 ah. Appo the class mark enna pannikalam solten. Class size oda add pannikala. All classes same. If the class sizes are same, we can add the class size here. Suppose class sizes are different, we cannot add it. For each one we want to find. Okay, now 54. Once again you find it. 52.5 plus 55.5 divided by 2. 0, 8, 108 divided by 2. 108 divided by 2. 54. Correct? Otherwise, class size half 1.5. 52.5 oda 1.5 add pannu 54. So by each one you add 57, 60, 63. It is class mark. Next, you find any one class assumed. From any one class mark you choose as assumed mean. 2, 3, 4, 5 are finally choose third one. It is A. It is A. So against here what is that? 0. Here what is that? 0. So here the difference one. What is class size? Class size 3. So here minus 3. Here minus 6. Here 3. Here 6. The answer da varum. Eppadi varum explain pandra. 51. What is assumed mean? 57. Minus 57. What is that? Minus 6. Next, 54. What is assumed mean? 57. Minus 3. 57. Minus 57. 0. 60. Minus 57. 3. 60 minus 57. 3. 63. Minus 57. 6. Correct varudha? So you find out பண்றது கரெக்ட்டா தப்பானது நீங்க கெஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். Okay, the class is different. 0 minus 3 minus 6 3 6. Okay, now f by dA. You multiply 15 into 6 minus 90. 110 into 3 minus 330. It is 0. 115 into 3 300 345. 25 into 6 150. 25 into 6 150. Now negative value added and positive value added. Negative value 0 9 plus 3 2 balance 1 4 minus 420. Negative value minus 420. Here positive value 5 9 4 495. 495. Next add these two values. Here negative, here positive. So subtraction. 495 to 420 75. So answer plus 75. Illa sir na inge na direct add panikrana. Okay, your wish. Okay, right. So now sum A value what is that? 57. Summation Fi di value 75. Summation Fi value 500. Fi value 500. Okay, now substitute in the formula. Now x bar is equal to A. Assume formula A 57 plus summation Fi di 75 divided by 500. Okay, now 75 divided by 500. We cannot subtract, we cannot divide, so you add 1 0, point, add 1 0, here also 0 point. In 750, 1 500 is that 500. Remainder what is that? 40. Sorry. 250. Okay, then add 1 more 0. Okay, now 2500. 5 into 500, 2500. So 57 plus 0.15. So answer 57.15. X bar is equal to 57.15 answer. Okay, that's all. Very easiest one. Okay, நீ ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணாலும் இந்த இடத்துல கரெக்ட்டா கெஸ் பண்ணலாம். It is final one. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த டேபிள் ஏதாவது மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணா இந்த டோட்டல் ஃபுல் ஆன்சர் தான். For example, it is 3 mark now, table 1.5 mark, for answer 1.5 mark. Here you miss ஒரு சின்ன மிஸ்டேக்னால the table wrong. Table and the remaining 1.5 mark கிடைக்காது. Okay, so be careful. So எல்லாமே ஈஸி தான், இதெல்லாம் மட்டும் கரெக்ட்டா செக் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? ரைட். So the excess remaining உள்ள sums ஏதோ ஒரு மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணு, டைரக்ட் மெத்தட் ஆர் அஸ்யூம் டிவைன் மெத்தட். ஓகேவா? எல்லா sums work out பண்ணனும். Remaining all the sums. Already first two sums you completed. Now fifth sum completed. So remaining sums you do as homework. Okay. Your wish, either direct method or assumed mean method. So in curriculum, step deviation method to be avoided. So leave it. Okay, bye. Thank you, students.